Hi everyone and congratulations to all JIL Taiwan leaders and workers for your annual leadership conference. Such a great honor and privilege na makabati po sa inyo ang inyong empleyado dito sa Senado. Miss na miss ko na po kayo. Alam na alam ko ang feeling ng mga ganitong gathering dahil ilang beses na po akong nakarating, nakapagsalita at naging panauhin dyan po sa Taiwan. Gusto ko batiin, of course, ang ating kaibigan at mahal na pastor, Pastor Edgar, Pastora Resilyn Valdoria, at ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng JIL Taiwan Leadership. Talaga pong napakalaking karangalan ang makabati at maging parte ng inyong programa ngayon. Nakita ko yung tema ninyo, Surging Spirit, found in the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 17. Ang sabi po doon, for the Lord is the Spirit, and wherever the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. The Spirit of the Lord is such a powerful message sa bawat isa po sa atin. And it's important to all of us that we can do whatever is impossible. We can overcome challenges. Ito man ay sakit at karamdaman. Ito may problema sa lapi, problema sa minamahal, problema sa anumang uri ng kalagayan natin sa mundong ito. Alam po natin, pag na-feel tayo ng Holy Spirit at nag-overflow sa atin ang Espiritu ng Diyos, hindi lang po kalayaan ang ibinibigay niya. Ang binibigay po niya ay kapanatagan ng loob, peace o kalayaan, the peace that passes all understanding, and joy unspeakable and gladness. Kaya po excited po ako sapagkat alam ko po, ito po yung magti-trickle down. As you overflow in spirit, it will trickle down not only to your respective churches in all the chapters of JIL Taiwan, but it will also bless and overflow to your families and loved ones here in the Philippines. Because God is not limited by distance, space, or even time. Muli po, congratulations JIL Taiwan on your leadership conference and praying for multiplication and revival as we declare Jesus is Lord over Taiwan. Please stay safe and God bless you more.